Let's make a sign out of driftwood. It's gonna say Nosted, which means boathouse in English. Spacing out the letters evenly is gonna be the hard part. So before we start, let's set some boundaries that shouldn't be crossed, just like if you drag home a prostitute to your hotel room and it turns out to be a ladyboy. This is my work area. Now I'll mark up the letters and hope for the best. I bought these small chisels on Temu some time ago. Now I finally get to test them. First, I make a guidance notch, or what to call it, around the letters. That will make it easier to chisel out the wood while keeping nice lines. Well, this is going to take a shitload of time, so let's skip past this part quickly. The first 3 letters got a bit cramped, but otherwise it turned out quite okay. And once you are done with your wood carving tools, sharpen them with whatever sharpening tools you have to keep them in good shape and ready for the next time. Now to decide what color to go for. I'm thinking an oil that darkens it a bit but not too much, then white letters. Rustin's Danish oil should be a good choice for this. Store used oil rags in a safe place until you can dispose of them properly, as they can self-combust under certain conditions. For the screw holes, I want a little decoration, so I'm going to take these frame sleeves and slap them in. Drilling the holes before oiling the plank would have been the best choice, but then I didn't have the idea to use the frame sleeves. Now to heat them up until they are red hot and look old when cooled down. Fuck me, it's starting to melt. Guess I just spray paint them with hammer varnish instead. There we go. A couple of rounds with clear coat spray and this sign is a wrap.